Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to tell you how to add an background color to an web page or a home page in HTML language. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So in our last video we have seen the different types of heading tags and their uses. So here we can see in the last video we have created a code like this. So in this video we are going to add a background color to our home page. To adding a background color to our home page, you want to add a style in the body tag. So I will create some space in the body tag and you just want to type style. So after hitting enter, you can see some of the options here. From these options you want to choose the background color. After choosing the background color, you want to choose what color do you want to add. So here I will select the blue. After that, save the code. After saving the code, you want to refresh this page. So here you can see our background image has been changed. So we will try some of the other colors. So by this method you can change the background color of the home page or a web page in the HTML language. At last, if you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends for learning the HTML language. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.